I gave you a content about my new poultry farm about 2 months ago, talking about 1st of June. Now you can see calculate how many weeks from that time till now. You can see what the production have yielded for us. They have grown to marketable value. Now they are very good to be sold. So this is our new poultry farm, and we just thank God that we didn't have any loss. All of them were alive, healthy. You can see how beautiful and sweet they look. You see, they are running up and down. So that's why I also want to implore you that if only you start it, you just need to be very careful. Watch them. Make sure you buy feed before the one they are eating is about to finish. You go and buy another feed. You can buy in bag. You can buy in paints, depending on your financial state. And so you can see all of them. They are 10 in number. They are 10 in number. They are juncating. They are happy that they were brought out of the cage. You can see. That's my wife, the one that is in charge of the poultry farm. God bless her for me. Help me to bless her for me. It's not easy. Going morning and night every day to give them water, clean their environment, give them medicine. And there's one here that the leg is bad. And see this one have shit. That's eat and shit for them. There's one that the leg is bad. You see this one the leg is bad. We have been giving them calcium, but it's not responding to treatment. So these are some illness that occur when you have a business like this, and it will thank you overweight. The agriculturists have told me it's overweight. So we are good to go. Thank you. We are going now in increase. We are going to increase to another higher number. We started with 10. We are going with another increase. Let's say from 15 or 20. And that's how the business progresses. Thank you and God bless you.